Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a vignette effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add a video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now, if you wanna add a vignette effect on this video, so this is pretty simple. You just click on the effect at the bottom and then click a video effect. Click video effect. Oh my god. Click video effect, and then in here you just click on a basic and swipe down until you can see a vignette. Where is vignette? Oh, this one. This one, vignette effect. So you just click on it and click check icon. Now you can adjust the effect. So you just click on the adjust at the bottom. And then you can adjust for the texture like this. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And now set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add a vignette effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy its content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.